Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use limit features on Instagram. So this is the latest updated features that has been launched from Instagram today. So how I'm gonna show you how to use these features, that is limit. So before starting the videos, I would like to request you that please make sure that you update your Instagram from Google Play Store or App Store, and then after that, let's get started. So let me just get inside my official Instagram account here, and then here you have to click on the profile icon on the bottom right corner, and then here you can see this is my official account. You can follow me on Instagram and ask for any queries, and here on the top right corner there is a three horizontal dash. Simply tap here, and then here you can see settings. Simply tap on settings, and as you can see here, this type of interface will be pop up. So now here you have to click on privacy. So after clicking to this privacy option, here you can see limits. You can see after hidden words there is an option limits. Simply tap on limits, and here you can see limit unwanted interaction. So if you feel like you are being harassed, you can temporarily limit unwanted comments and messages. Limiting is similar to restricting but helps you manage harassment from group instead of individuals. So here limit comment and message will be hidden unless you approve them. So you can just if someone is harassing you or bullying you or doing a cyber harassment to you on Instagram comments or DMs, then you can just hide them by yourself. So just you need to click on continue, and here you can see who the limits account that aren't following you. So if the person is not following you, then you have to just turn on, and here you can see recent followers. So if you want to set limits for the recent follower also, you have to turn on, and here you can see how long to limit for. So here you can click and you can set for days or weeks. So here you can see, let me just go for 1 week and set reminder. Click on turn on option on the bottom, and then you can see your limits are on. You turn on limits. So just go back, and here you can see limits on. So this is how you can use this feature. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching.